In today's video we want to talk about properties again, but this time we want to talk about custom properties tab and security tab. In custom properties we can add properties that will become metadata when exported. For example, we can choose from here, or we can insert another, for example, a company. I don't see company anywhere here. I can write company, it's text, and here I will have my company name. Let's add year, I don't know, publisher. No, let's choose someone with a number. Record date, it's today. Okay, so let's add. So we have these two info here. So when I will export this document, these will be sent as metadata. Okay, now let's talk about security. If I check open file read only, let's save it first. So I have this untitled 2. If I check that option, open file read only, I will protect this document by any change. Let's save it, and someone is opening and trying to write something. Okay, the document is not cannot be edited. So we can uncheck that. In order to uncheck, we have to save it as another document. So let's save it as entitled 3. And now we can change here. Now this document is not read-only. Another thing is record changes. I send this document to someone. I ask him or she to edit, but I want to know what someone is editing. So I check that, record changes, and I set a password, the same password here, at least one character. Okay, and let's save it. And now entitled 3, if someone is editing and is changing here, I don't know, a 1, you can see that Bogdan and on this time change cell C2 from 2,148,000 to 2,148,001. Okay, so we can see any changes that is made. Okay, and we have some red border here in every cell that has changed. So this cell change from empty to test 3. If I change to test 4, I will know that this change from test 3 to test 4. Okay, so this is how the things are working here. If I click unprotect, if I enter the correct password, the document is not recorded and is not protected. I don't know. Okay, you can see I don't know who changed this. So that was all about security. In the next episode we continue the discussion about properties, and we will talk about font and statistics. This is version 704. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video.